Well, how to unlock your phone if you forgot your password. Don't worry, in this video, we'll explain 7 different ways to unlock an Android phone. If you forgot the password, and recommend the best unlocking tool to make it easy to unlock your Android device. Method 1. How to unlock Android phone without password using Android Unlock. The best way to unlock an Android phone without a password is using a professional Android unlocking tool like Android Unlock. Method 2. How to unlock Android phone pattern lock if forgotten with safe mode. Press power button, then hold power off. Confirm safe mode reboot. Disable third-party apps temporarily. Delete screen lock app. Reboot Android. Method 3. How to unlock Android phone forgot password using ADB. Install minimal ADB and fastboot on PC. Connect Android via USB. Open command window. Navigate to ADB directory. Enter ADB shell ARM data system gesture. Key, reboot Android. Password file erased. Set new password or PIN or pattern promptly. Method 4. How to unlock Android phone. Forgot password with Android Device Manager. Visit ADM website. Log in with Google account. Select device. Click lock. Follow prompts. Set temporary password bypassing lock method. Confirm functions ring, erase, lock. Use password to unlock Android. Method 5. How to unlock Android phone without code via Google Find My Device. Visit Find My Device site. Sign in with Google account linked to locked Android. Choose locked device. Click erase device to factory reset. After restart, lock screen password removed. Method 6. How to unlock Android phone without password using forgot pattern feature. Enter wrong password. Tap forgot pattern. After attempts, choose unlock method when prompted. Choose the enter Google account details option and click next. Sign in with your Google account. After that, you will be guided to add a new unlock pattern. Click on the continue button and the new unlock pattern will take effect. Method 7. How to unlock Android without password with factory reset. Power off locked Android device. Press volume up plus home buttons to enter recovery mode. Select wipe data or factory reset using volume keys. Confirm with power key. Reboot phone. Access freely without password.